What would you say the kind of the critical skills are for people in AI machine learning nowadays? And how have those changed over the years? And how do you think they're going to change in the future?
I've actually seen a lot of change in terms of skill sets for AI because in the past, everything was based on people really knowing mathematics to a very large extent. And I think if you want to be a data scientist, that's still an important thing because you need to know the algorithms. But what cloud has done, so if you think about Google with TensorFlow, Azure with all of the AI capabilities they've brought on, AWS with SageMaker, these companies have democratized the use of AI. They have made the use of AI much more simpler, where people who do not have that PhD, who don't have that deep maths background, can still figure it out based upon identifying the business use case, which is the right problem to attack, and then the tools will recommend the type of algorithms to apply. And they will obviously leverage the data that the company will have, and sometimes they can even add some synthetic data to it. And so I think if you look at the skill set that you need today for AI, it's definitely you do need some level of programming like a Python. You need some level of maths, so that way you don't need a deep maths background, but you need some level of maths background. But then what I find people to be most useful is when they can understand those business use cases. They can say, okay, does this problem fit in AI? Number one. Number two, which algorithm type of problem it is. And so I think that is causing much widespread use of AI, where now it's becoming almost like a de facto in every product versus having to be something that's very, very specialized.